Assalamu alaikum, dear learners. How are you? I think you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah and be safe and sound at this crisis moment. Anyway, today we discuss Tech Quotient Part 3. Now, look at the whiteboard and take your notebook and pen. Look, everybody is present. This is the quotient. At first, all of you write down this. Everybody is present, then use comma according to structure. Look and remember, if any sentence starts with everybody, somebody, nobody, then subject will be there. As subject is plural form, verb will also be plural. So what is the plural of is? The plural of is are. And not used here because the sentence is affirmative. We know that if any sentence is affirmative, then we have to turn into negative at the time of changing Tech Quotient. That's why you write down here RM and subject is there. Next example, everything was correct. If body, then subject will be there. But if thing, then subject will be it. That means something, nothing, anything, everything. At the time of this word, subjective form will be it. What is the operator here? Was. So you write down here wasn't and subject will be it. Next example, stop writing anymore. Stop means that means verb. If any sentence starts with any verb, that means imperative sentence. Then you should write down will you. So you write down here will you. Then only Allah can help us. In this sentence, can is operator. So you write down here can. Here subject is Allah. If Allah or God is subject, then you should write down He as a subjective form. But in this time, at the time of writing subjective form He, instead of Allah or God, H will be always capital letter. Remember it. Then the sun rises at J. In this sentence, there is no operator, but rises, that means present indefinite tense. As is aiding with the verb, that is signify you should use doesn't. So you write down here doesn't. And if any sentence starts with the sun, then subject will be he. Then the moon rises at night. Just like same way, rises, that means no operator, but it indicates present indefinite. So you write down here doesn't. If the sun, then subject will be he. If the subject is the moon, then subject will be she. The rich are not always happy. In this sentence, what is the operator given here? Are. So you write down here are. As the sentence is negative, that's why we don't need to write down here not. And subject, that means rich. Rich means not a single person, many person. So you write down here they, as it is plural. Then next example, let us drop it. If any sentence starts with let us or let, then you should write down shall we at the time of changing Tech Quotient. How nice. In this sentence there is no operator, no subject. If any sentence doesn't have any operator or any subject, then it will be doesn't it at the time of changing Tech Quotient. But you know, if any sentence doesn't have any operator or subject, then you should write down always doesn't it. Next example. The father rose in him. Rose, that means the past form of rise. In this sentence there is no operator. Rose signify past tense, so you write down here didn't. And the father then means not father, but the quality of a father. If any sentence signify quality, then subject will be it. So you write down here it. Okay, dear students, all of you write down this. I think all of you write down this and practice at home more and more according this way from test paper or from different book questions, just like same way according to structure. All of you write down and practice more and more in this way. Thank you very much for today.